Hello my dear student, today I will take class 7 mathematics, exercise number 2.7. This is part 3, that means third classes of this exercise. Now in the last classes we already completed from math number 1 to math number 4. So today I will start from math number 5. We have given 5 at first number 1, 7 divided by 3.5. And this is number 3.5. This is decimal number. So at first we should convert this decimal number in fraction. So at first write is 7 divided by 3.5. That means 35. First you write this number without decimal. That means this is 35 and divided by 10. Because there is one number after decimal. So we should divide 35 by 10. Then we get 3.5. Now in next step we write this sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal means reciprocal of 3 is 1 by 3. 15 is 1 by 15. So reciprocal of 35 by 10 means 10 by 35. That means we write denominators as numerator and numerator as denominators. Then we get reciprocal of this number. So this is equals to 10 by 35. Now we get 70 by 35. So we get 70 by 35 means 2. This is 2. Now next this is number 2, 36 divided by 0.2. Now first here is a decimal number. Now we convert this decimal number in fraction. Then we get 36 divided by, this is means 2 by 10, and we convert this division by multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number. Reciprocal means 10 by 2. Now we get 18 into 10. That means 180. Now next number 4. Now you should try at your home number 3. So this is number 4. 30.94 divided by 0.7. That in number 1 and 2 we divide a decimal number or divide a whole number by a decimal number. And here in number 4 we divide a decimal number by a decimal number. So at first we convert this decimal number in fraction. First we write this number without fraction, that means without decimal, that is 3094. This is 3094 and we divided by, here is 2 number after decimal, so divided by 100. This is divided by 0.7 means 7 by 10. And next step we write this sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number. So 3094 by 100 into 7 by 10. So reciprocal of 7 by 10 is opposite of it, that means 10 by 7. So you get 442 by 10. 442 by 10, that means 44.2. 44.2. Now in number 6, same as number 4. That means we divide the decimal number by decimal number. So at first we convert this by fraction. So this is 775 by 100 divided by 25 by 100. So in next step we should convert this sign by multiplication and write the reciprocal of this number. Then we get in into 100 by 25. Now 100 is cancelled. This is 31. Now this is number 6. Now next we try number 8. Here given 37.8 divided by 1.4. So 37.8, we should convert this and this in fraction. So this is equals to 378 by 10 divided by 14 by 10. Now in next step, we should convert the division by multiplication and write the reciprocal of this, that is 10 by 14. This is cancelled. This is 27. Now next is number 9. 2.73 divided by 1.3. So we should convert this and this. This is in fraction 273 by, it is 2 number after decimal, and this divided by 100, and this is divided by 10. Now we convert this side by multiplication and write the reciprocal of this. So this is equals to 21 and this is 10. So 21 by 10, that means 2.1. This is number 9. So at your home you should try number 3, 4, 5 and 7. 3, 4, 5 and 7. This is homework for you. And next, number 6. Here given a vehicle covers a distance of 43.2 km in 2.4 liter. So a vehicle covers 43.2 km in 2.4 liters. So write this as covers in 2.4 liter equals to 43.2 km. And here question is, how much distance will it cover in 1 liter of petrol? So in 2.4 liter it covers 43.2 kilometer. So a vehicle covers in 1 liter, this is equals to, we divide this by 2.4 because 1 is less than 2.4. So that's why we divide this number. So 43.2 by 2.4 kilometer. Now we get, here is 1 number after decimal and here is 1 number after decimal. So we cancel the decimal point because 43.2 equals to 432 by 10 and 2.4, this is equals to 24 by 10. So here is 10 and here also 10. So we should cancel these 10s. So we get 432 by 24. 432 by 24. And we divide this, we get 18 kilometer. So how much distance will it cover? So it cover in 1 liter 18 kilometer. So this is number 6 and this is also exercise number 2.7. This is complete, and next day we should start a new chapter.